Hi! Today I'm making a lavender and blueberry cheesecake. A friend gave me some lavender the other day and I thought I would use it to make some kind of beautiful light purple dessert. I didn't want to emphasize the lavender flavor, just a hint when you eat it. So let's make it. Oh, before we get going, if you like this video, please give me a high rating and subscribe. It's very encouraging. This is the ingredients for the base. First, 100 grams of biscuit into a blender and blend until powdery. Put the powdery biscuit into a bowl and pour in the 80 grams of melted butter. Mix together with a spatula. Line and mold cheesecake tin with baking paper. Put in the base mix and using the spatula to flatten. Then put it in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest. For the lavender, use only the petals. If you use all of it, it will have a bitter taste. 8 grams of geltin powder into a bowl and add 2 tablespoons of water and mix well. Pour the 50 cc of milk and turn heat to low. Add 100 grams of blueberry and the geltin mixture and melt it. Pick the lavender of petals. I didn't use much this time. If you want more aroma, you can use double or triple. Next, put 250 grams of cream cheese, 70 grams of raw sugar, 1 tablespoon of lemon, and 150 grams of yogurt into the blender. Blend until smooth, then put the cream cheese mixture into a bowl. Pour the blueberry mixture and the lavender's petal into the mixer and mix well. Pour the blueberry mixture into the bowl and mix well. 450 grams of thickened cream and 20 grams of raw sugar into a bowl. Using electric hand mixer, whip the cream. Add the cream cheese and the blueberry mixture to the whipped cream a little at a time, mixing well until the cream cheese and the blueberry mixture is combined. Take out the mold from the fridge and pour in the cheesecake mixture. Flatten, then put it in the fridge for 4 to 6 hours. Check the cheesecake for firmness. If it's still a little soft, put it back in the fridge. It is a very beautiful light purple cheesecake. Have a tea party with your friends. Thank you for watching. See you next video.